Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how you can check battery level when you are connected with iOS device. So in this case I'm using iPhone XR. So when you are actually connected, you can open the case just like that, and in most cases you will find this notification pop with the battery information, but as you can see in my case it's not working. So we can use additional method, like we have to scroll to the left and we have to go below, edit the widgets, and then we have to tap on the plus on the left upper corner, and next we have to scroll down until we find the batteries. So click, and here we can find the default widgets, the free widgets basically. So we got this graphic widget of the battery level, the percentage, and another one with the name of each device. So I would like to attach, for example, this widget. So just click to add the widget, and it's right here. You can leave it like that in this place, but you can also put it to your screen. Like you have to click, hold, and then just drag to the right side. And for example, I'm going to attach here. So click down to confirm, and there it is. Right now we are always will be always get this battery information of our iPhone and of AirPods and the case of the AirPods. So that's very simple, as you can see. So basically you just have to attach the widget to your home screen. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.